Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot add friends on Snapchat in iPhone and iPad. If you want to add friends then face something with wrong problem, so how to fix? First of all, get a one screenshot and after that go back your home screen, then open your again Snapchat, then tap on profile icon, then tap on setting, scroll down. From here you can see feedback, then tap on I spot a bug, then tap on settings. From here choose a topic, tap on this, then tap on quick add. From here you can see add attachment, and tap on this, and tap on add screenshot. From here tap on screenshot, enter your problem. Hello Snapchat team, I cannot add friends on Snapchat. When I try to add friends, it's showing an error, something went wrong. Please fix my problem as soon as possible. Thanks. And after that tap on submit. And after submit, Snapchat team contact Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.